Okay, Kipsters, this is lesson number 32 on probability, and this is number 9. As you know, I see my answer choices over here, and unfortunately, I can't block them. You know, in the brain strategy, the B stands for block, so we're just going to go right to R, which is read and attack the question. So, here we go. It says, when lacrosse camp is over, each camper receives a prize. The camp director writes the name on slips of paper and puts one slip of paper for each camper into a box. Each camper will reach into the box without looking and select a piece of paper. The number of slips of paper for each prize is shown in the table below. Okay, see the table? The first 10 campers selected slips of papers, and none of them received shorts as a prize. The campers did not put the slips of paper back in the box. What is the probability that the next camper will pick a slip of paper with shorts written on it? Okay, well, there's our question. And man, this is a long, tricky question. So I'm going to go back and reread and make sure I understand what the heck is going on here. So there's this prize thing happening. They write the prize names. Okay, so these are the prize names on slips of paper and put one slip of paper for each camper into a box. Okay, so it looks like they had 5 slips with gloves on it, 5 slips with sticks on it, 50 shorts, 60 shirts, and 80 baseball caps. And they threw all of that into a box. All of this. So that's like, let me just add these up for a second. That's 10, 60, another 60 is 120. I think if I add them all, if I'm adding them all up correctly, that means that that box, let me just double check that. 5 plus 5 is 10, keep the 0, bump the 1, that's 6, 12. So they basically, if I'm reading this correctly, they put 200 slips in a box, and each slip has those different words on it. Okay? That's what I know so far. So now, this is the fun part. The campers get to stick their hand in this box full of 200 slips and pick a prize. Everyone's a winner. The first 10 campers selected slips of paper, and none of them received shorts as a prize. The campers did not put the slips of paper back in the box. Well, this is really important stuff here. 10 campers selected slips. The campers did not put the slips back. That's important. And none of them received shorts as a prize. So let's just imagine what would happen here. Let's pretend all 10 of them stuck their hand in here and did not pick shorts. That's what it says, right? Let's just pretend they picked something else. Doesn't matter. Maybe all of them pick shirts. If 10 of them pick shirts, then that means how many shirts are left? 50. Okay? What is the probability that the next camper will pick a slip of paper with shorts on it? All right, well, here we go. Clearly, the top part of our fraction is 50, because those are the number of shorts. But the bottom part of our fraction can no longer be 200, because 10 campers already went and picked something that wasn't shorts. So now, instead of 200, our denominator is 190. A quick scratch and scratch. I now investigate my answers. It's not 1/8. It's not 1/4. Actually, there it is right there. It's not 7/19. The answer is 5 out of 19. Certainly a very tricky problem, but if you take your time and make sure you visualize what's happening and really think about what's going on with the 10 campers, who did not pick shorts, you'll realize there are 190 slips left and still 50 shorts available.